One question I get all the time is, Isaac, how do I test if my links are affiliating? And actually, the answer is super simple, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can test if your links are affiliating. My name is Isaac Mayer, and in today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can test two different types of links to see if they're affiliating. One, where the ID is added directly in the address bar of a product page, and another where it's added in the redirects. First, I'll show you how to test using an Amazon link, which is an example where I can see the ID directly in the address bar. So let's jump right in. First, I'm going to find a page on Amazon that I want to link to. As you can see, this is a beautiful acoustic Seagull guitar. I love Seagull guitars, and I want to link to one and make an affiliate sale. So the first thing to do is grab the URL directly from the address bar of the page. So I'm going to copy it out and go to my Geniuslink account, where I can build a new link. And I'm going to paste that into the link creator on my links page. From here, I just click save to save my link. Now I've created this link. And since I've already added all of my affiliate IDs directly into my affiliate page, which you can see here, a bunch of different countries, this link will affiliate with my ID if everything's working properly. So I'm going to go and find that link once again, and I'm going to click it, just like this. So I've clicked on my Genius link, and now all I have to do is go to the address bar and see if my link has been appended. And as you can see right here, my ID has been appended, this one right here. Your ID will be directly following the text $tag equals. So once you've navigated to your page, go to the address bar and check if your ID has been added after $tag equals. If it has, you're all good. So now I'm going to show you how to test if your link is affiliating for a link that adds your affiliate ID within the redirects and can't be seen directly in the address bar of a product page. So to show you how to do this, I'm going to use a Chewy link. As you can see, I found an adorable toy right here, this jack-o'-lantern dog toy, and I'm going to build an affiliate link to this toy. So first, I'm going to build a link. So I've just pasted that URL directly into the link creator on my links page, and I'm going to click save. Now that I've clicked save, I've effectively built this link. As you can see on my affiliate page, I have my Chewy ID added. So let's check that out. Here's my Chewy ID right there. So now I'm going to go back to my links page and click this link to see if it's affiliating. And I'll just click it right here. However, there is one more important step. In order to see if this link is affiliating, I'm going to need to be able to look at the redirects. So I'm going to need a tool that allows me to check those out. The tool that I like is Link Redirect Trace. Now this is just an extension that you can add to Chrome. So if you find this, you can install it and then check out those redirects. I already have it installed, so I'm just going to use it right now. So let's check out that page that I just clicked to. Now here's that page that I just landed on after clicking my affiliate link. And I'm going to go to Link Redirect Trace from my extensions menu and check if this link is affiliated. By looking at this redirect, I can see that my ID has been added. And as you can see, it's in this middle redirect right here. As you can see, my ID, 1100LEDYA, has been added. But I wouldn't have been able to see this without Link Redirect Trace. So now I've shown you how to test different types of links, whether you can see the ID directly in the address bar of a page, or if you need to check the redirects. So you can use either of these methods depending on what affiliate program you're using. However, if you don't see your ID, make sure that there's no typos in the IDs that you've put on your affiliate page, or that you're using in general, and try again. If you don't find success, please contact us at help@genie.us or hit us up on social media. We'll be more than glad to assist you. Once again, this is Isaac Mayer, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video today. And please let us know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, and we'll be glad to help you. Like, favorite, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.